All right, happy new week, guys. Happy new week. Another new week. Let's smash these markets. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. So we're starting for the week of May 24 to when? To May 29. So let's get right with it. Gaga will run us first, then I'll go next. So Gaga, yeah, hit us, hit us. Give us
Just to
the
make sure you see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see us. Can you GBP? Yeah, this pay.
Okay, so I'm
Oh.
looking at this pair, 30 minutes on a downtrend. I've had multiple confirmations of the downtrend, so I just need to come back up, make a major structural high, and then I intend selling. That's that. This for GBP, CHF, kind of same thing, just that this one is I've done the one, two, three. So again, waiting for like a major structural high to be formed, and then when I get to closure below, as well as it being below the 50 EMA, I will sell. For USD CHF, again, kind of similar thing. Had one, two, three, needed to form major structural high, goes below, I sell. Euro card. I'm looking at this. What's going on here? Or Eurocard, so well, technically we're in a downtrend. I wanted to sell this pair last week, but I didn't really get the closure below I wanted. Plus, I had some family engagement, so couldn't really take the trade. However, looks like we broke this high. So I'm kind of on the fence on the sideline with this one. Either I just changed these lines to green yesterday because I was thinking here should not come and act as support and start going back to an up or start going into an uptrend. So we shall see how that goes. So you can see it's popular already down there. For gold, this was what I wanted to trade last week. Go very close to this. Maybe my stocks could have been increased, but then it was coming back here again. So I'll just be on the sidelines for this one. That's pretty much it from me. So I'm looking at the one, two, three. This one, Eurocard, we'll see how it goes when and if price gets there. And if I get a closure above, then maybe I can buy. If goes below, maybe I sell. Yeah, so that's it from me.
Okay, pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. Me, I've actually not looked at the market since last week, which is not a bad thing. It's just that I've just been all over the place. Let me just quickly share my screen. I don't know if my network is even good. Oh my days. Yeah, it's still loading. Cause this okay. Load. Okay, yeah, as usual, I just do like a rundown of the pairs I was interested in from last week. So from last week, I think GBP NZD. Oh, okay, no, that's not the first pair, sorry. NZD this pair. Okay, yeah. I took an L on this trade. NZD Honestly speaking, I have nothing to comment about this trade. As you can see, I haven't put an alert here because I wanted a closure, then pull back to this area, then I take another position. I think that was what I put here, but as you can see, market literally went back, wicked me out by a few pips and came back to break even, whatever. Anyways, I took an L on this trade. Am I still interested in this pair? My bias has not actually changed. I think it's still the same thing. Right now, it's even forming like a left head and right shoulder, yeah. So all I was just waiting for is still it's basically the pair is still trading under this AOI. So that's the only reason why I am interested. So forget this minor AOI I'm drawing here. So basically just me saying this happened and the break has already happened. I just want to see a pullback and maybe an engulfing and I'll take the trade. So I'm still interested, basically. I'm still interested. It's just unfortunate that he tweaked me out. So I'll leave it there. NZD USD, same with NZD JPY, nothing changed. If I took this trade, let me see if I would have been wicked out. Actually, no. Wow. Interesting. Okay, fine. Anyways, I'm still interested in this, still the same AOI, nothing changed. I'll either wait for a pullback or I just take the trade from here and that is it. GBP card. I was interested in selling this pair, but as you can see, that never happened. I don't really like it the best again. I don't really like it like the way I liked it last week. As you can see, 2 weeks ago it had this huge push down, this big bearish engulfing that wicked how many wick candles? One, two, three, four, five, six. And all of a sudden, almost another engulfing, but though I didn't engulf this candle, I don't understand what the market is doing at the moment. I'm not interested anymore. GBP NZD, I think I was interested in this one. Yeah, I wanted to buy this pair. I can't remember why I did not take the buys. I think, yeah. I think, yeah, this candle, yeah, I remember now. So, like, when I was sleeping and all, I think they already made the move. So I was like, okay, I'll wait for a pullback. And when I came back to the market, I just saw it here. And I didn't want to take the buys from here because my risk to reward wouldn't have made sense to me. So I just had to let go because my stop loss would have been like maybe around here. So I just let the trade go. Euro AUD, I was waiting for this one, the break and everything. I am still interested. So all I just want now is for, since I'm kind of like counter traded on this pair, what I'm just going to look for is a proper break. I just want to see if it will break me above here, pull back, I'll take the trade here. Even if it comes up to this area, perfect. But it's just a minor area and I'll just take the buys. Nothing changed for me. I guess maybe last week wasn't just ready last week. I actually like how it looks basically. AUD USD. I looked at it, but I didn't like it compared to NZD USD, if I'm right. But right now, I don't know if I even like it. I don't even like it either. But yeah, it's still very much bearish. I can wait for a pullback and continue the sales, or I think I'll pass. Euro GBP, I wanted to buy you last week, maybe, or when, I'm not even sure. But, huh, interesting. So the weekly is still very much bearish. Hmm, hmm. It's engulfing daily. Nah, I'll pass. USD card, we wanted to buy this pair. Do I still want to buy this pair? Yes. But I think I'll let it go. Euro USD. Nah, I'm not interested. Oh, perfect. I like the fact that GU came back to this place because when I did the analysis for last week, I was like, okay, I would like to see what it to do here. Literally just did a pullback of this engulfing that you can see. Weekly candle engulf one, two, three, four, four. In fact, it engulfed a month basically. So all I just wanted it to do is a pullback, which the pullback has happened, is rejecting this area. As you can see, multiple rejections. You can see the wicks. I would like to get a confirmation here, and that is all. I'm actually very much interested in it. 4 hours is very good. I like the fact that I even close with the bearish engulfing. 2 hours looks good as well. In fact, I think this is my best amongst all the pair I'm saying. I like this the most. I'll just take this to the top. GU. So GA, I don't think I am interested in this. No, I'm not interested. GBP CHF, not interested. USD JPY, I'm not interested as well. Entity card, no. CHF JPY. Yeah, this pair, yeah, it's literally back to this same place that we sold off from the last time. What are the odds that we might sell it from here again? What are the odds that what happened maybe, sorry, what happened like maybe 2 weeks ago? I said 2 weeks ago, like a month, yeah, like it's up to 2 weeks. Let's see. One, two, three. Yeah, that's how it was happened last month, basically. Can it repeat itself? I really don't know. I'm not the market, right? So I'll just keep a close eye on this. I don't think it's a pair I want to carry because as you can see, the time it took here to get here, it was like maybe a day. It took like 3 weeks to get to this stop. You never can tell. Maybe it can take a day now to just come back here again. So I really don't know. I am not taking this pair anyways. I'll just observe it. I'm more interested in trading it this week, but I like it though. It's one of my favorites too. 80 card. Nope. Nah, not interested. Yes, 30. Okay, I'm still patiently waiting for this. I wanted to come back to normal areas at an all-time high. USDCHF, not interested. EUR Hmm. Hmm. Nah. GJ, CAD, JPY. Nah. ADCHF. This one, yeah. I feel it's cooking something good. I just feel so. But let me look at it on the daily. So currently, this is okay. The mark here as good area. Hmm. This actually doesn't look bad. Can't lie. 4 hours. Hmm. Doesn't look bad. It looks like a beautiful cell. Let me see something. And yeah, it has a lot of room at the bottom. Hmm. Doesn't look bad actually. Doesn't. Hmm. 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 Actually, not bad. It has multiple rejections from this area. This one, like 2024. It's not really far back. And yeah, actually, it's not bad. I'll just wait for a pullback and I'll be interested in this. So it's like a weekly area I'm marking this trade on. I actually like it. I'll come back to it. ADNZD. Yeah. So let me just take this one to the top. No, not you. So in order, GU, ADCHF, I think U, NZDJPY. I really don't like it like before, I will be honest, but I am interested. I am very much interested. So let me just put my alerts here. NZD, USD, do okay. EA. All right. So I think at this junction, there's one, two, three, four, five. And CHFGPY, I'm not taking it, obviously. It's just the pair that I'll observe later in the market. So my top pairs for the week are GU is already at the AOI. That's giving everything I'm looking for. All I just need to do is wait for market to open and see if it's worth taking. ADCHF, I want to see a pullback. I like this double top here. It already made the, funny enough, it made the retest. This bullish candle here still gave like a rejection, hammer, pimba, whatever I want to call this, but although this is more of like to the upside, and the next thing it gave an engulfing. So we can call this an evening star formation. I don't know. But let's just see if a pullback can happen. I actually like this very well. I really like it. It looks good, to be honest. I'll happily take it. AUD, NZD still same thing I'm looking from the previous week. I'm only just somehow with this pair because of how it wasted my time last week. Hopefully it doesn't waste my time this week. And NU. So EA is more of, it's not something I'm big on. It's just a counter trade. I don't really want to counter trade anymore. So I'm just going to keep it and see if I'll take it or not. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for me. Yeah, that's it for me. That's it for me. That's it for me. So blue week as usual. Bad boy, you there?
Wish you blues.
So yeah, at this junction we will wrap up. So blue week to you, blue week to us as usual. Have a positive week. As usual, we're not only having blue weeks on in the charts or on the charts or in the Forex markets, it's everything in life, basically. So all the best. Have a successful week. See you next week as usual, and see you on Wednesday as usual. So peace out, my G.
Easy, easy. Peace out. Wish you blues.